We're here now. We're at a tint shop in Elizabeth. I'm just getting this right here. I'm just getting these tinted out. So you're gonna see how it looks. I just don't like the orange color, so I'm gonna have them tinted out. See how it looks. There's actually a car wash here too. It's a pretty big place actually. There's a tint shop over there. Thank you. There's a tint shop over there. My car is there. There's a lot of cars here, I swear. So anyway, let's cut the video and see how it looks after the tints. What's that? A heat gun, right?
Yeah.
That's so cool. You guys been here for years, right?
Year 16.
16 years? Jeez, man.
16 years here already.
Alright guys, you can see this is the other side. Hasn't been tinted yet. And this is this one that's been tinted. Wow, that looks a lot better. Jeez. That's it guys, the end of the video. We have Pro Tint in Elizabeth. And yeah man, if you're ever in Jersey, you need some tints. These guys are awesome. Thanks for watching.